Welcome to the monthly market update. Following a market pullback, our first position was opened on August 5th, 2025, based on the signal shared through Patreon and Telegram. After moving higher, the market experienced another pullback. According to the October 14th signal, we added the second position. Soon after, the market showed a modest rise, but then turned downward. On November 20th, the stop-loss level of the second position was reached, and the position was closed. On November 24th, a new signal appeared, and we re-entered the second position. At this moment, both positions are active. The EnDo strategy does not rely on forecasting future price direction. It operates through predefined rules designed to function in any market environment. If the market declines and the most recent position is stopped out again, we will wait for a confirmed bullish daily candle before opening the second position once more. If the decline becomes stronger and both stop-loss levels are triggered, we will re-establish the first position in alignment with the strategy rules. Conversely, if the market continues upward, no action is required. We will maintain both positions until the total profit reaches 15% of the original account balance. Thank you for watching. If this update was useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel.